Hey guys, so welcome back to another Squishy Tag Monday. Today I'm gonna be doing the 5 senses squishy tag, and I forgot who created this, so yeah, and I wrote down everything here. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So the first question is squishy you can't stop looking at, and I chose this Hello Kitty bow macaroon because it looks really pretty and I just can't stop looking at it because when I bought it I keep on like looking at it. I don't even know why. So yeah, here's the squish. It's just so adorable and it and it has the like reproduce one there, so yeah. Squishy that makes a sound when you like squish it. Chose this Googie Tama bun and it literally make a sound. So can you see that? I don't know if you can hear it, but yeah, it makes that. I don't even know what noise that, but I don't even like it. But so yeah, squishy you would taste if it was real, and that's an obvious question. And I chose my soft and soul pancake, and if this was real, I would definitely taste it because I love pancakes. So here's a squish. Second to the last question is squishy that is fun to touch. I chose this Cafe DN chocolate cream puff. It just feels so textury and it just feels real. And I don't even know why it feels real. I even haven't tried like a cream puff yet, but it smells like bread. So yeah. Lastly, is squishy that has the best smell. I chose this Island Penguin, and this literally smells like strawberry haichu. It smells so good. So here's the squish. It's so cute. It's an eye bloom one. Sorry, yeah, it smells really good. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please press like button and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.